Nagadev. So, Lawrence and I get so many comments and questions from our family members about how they want to start a YouTube channel and how they wish they could do YouTube, but they don't want to spend the money for all the gear. But today, Lawrence and I are going to show you what we use to create our YouTube channel and what we use to record our vlogs. So hopefully we'll show you that, we didn't spend a lot of money, but we're still doing it, and we still have great videos about it. So, item number 1.
All right, so first off, what you want to have when you're starting a YouTube channel is a way to record videos. So starting off, we just use our cell phones. So our first video that we shot, we were using my old phone, the Google Pixel 2, because it had a really good camera. But right now, we actually use iPhones, so the iPhone X to be specific. It has a pretty good camera, so we were able to get some good footage to edit with.
Wait. So you mean to tell me, if you have a cell phone, you can make a YouTube channel?
Yes.
And have good quality videos?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, because if you think about it, most cell phones nowadays can record in high resolution, so 1080p, 4K, and that's really all you need. 1080p is pretty good enough for YouTube.
So just to tell you guys, just to sum it up, we did not buy an expensive camera. We have been using our cell phones.
Yes.
Okay. Our cell phones. Item number 2.
Item number 2. If you want to, get those nice stable shots when you're recording with your phone, you'd use a camera stabilizer. This is called the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. So how it works is you put your phone, you take your phone and you put it inside of the device. Oops. Yeah, once you turn it on, you see it turns on, and it kind of stabilizes your phone. So if you have shaky hand movements and stuff, this will kind of counteract it and get you that nice stable shot.
Okay, item number 3.
So item number 3, since you're going to be, taking a lot of footage as you're making videos, one major item you want to have is an external hard drive, because we all run out of memory at some point while, uploading videos to our computer. So
because all them selfies y'all be taking, I know y'all be running out of storage space.
Yeah, so an external hard drive is a must-have. So this one right here is a 4 terabyte external hard drive we got from Best Buy. But I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon for $100.
Yep. Item number 4.
All right, item number 4 is GoPro. So GoPros are pretty handy when you want to have underwater shots, or if you're doing a lot of outdoorsy activities.
Hiking.
Yeah, you don't
biking.
You don't want to use your phone because you might mess up your phone or your DSLR.
Number 5.
All right, number 5, you want to have a portable charger. Now, when you're out shooting, you are always going to need
your battery.
And if you're using your phone, phones tend to die when you're recording a lot of footage. So you want to have an external portable charger. This
one actually came out of my suitcase, guys. I have a suitcase with a portable charger. I'm so cool.
Yeah.
Number 6.
All right, number 6 is
this thing.
All right, you can't really tell what it is, but this is actually, it folds out and it's like a miniature tripod right there. So if you wanna record some nice time lapses, you can put your phone on it and just set it up somewhere and have it record that nice stable shots. Yeah, but there's an attachment that goes on it.
Number 7 is this thing. Has no purpose. Just looks cool. All right, moving on. Just kidding. Tell them what this thingy is.
All right, so this thing right here, it's an attachment for the Osmo Mobile 2. So we have a microphone that we use while we're recording, so we can get some nice audio. But there's no way of actually attaching it anywhere. So we use this attachment, which goes underneath here, and then you can attach your microphone as you're holding the device. You can talk into the microphone.
And number 8.
Number 8 is actually the microphone.
Yeah, we're using it to make this video.
Yeah.
so that we can have good audio. Because why? Because good audio is important. Why is good audio important?
So good audio is important because whenever you're shooting video, if the video isn't up to par but the audio is pretty good, people can at least enjoy the video. But if it's reverse, if it's the other way around, if you have really good video but the audio is bad, it kind of like kills the whole video.
This is what the video will be like.
Yeah. So word of advice.
Wait, no, just move your lips, but don't sing.
Or it'll be like really screechy and stuff like that. So word of advice, prioritize your audio because your audio will make or break your video.
But the mic that we have is actually a Rode mic,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
A Rode mic, and we'll show it right now. And number 9 is like so cool. Number 9 is the coolest
All right,
thing we have.
number 9 is like I would say a bonus item.
You don't really need
You
it.
don't really need it, but if you have the extra cash, shell out.
So that-
It is the DJI Maverick Pro drone. So it folds out. Oops. So this is the DJI Maverick Pro. It's a drone, so it flies up, and it has this camera on it, so you can actually record aerial shots. So you can get like different perspectives for your vlog. So if you're exploring some landscapes and you want to get like a higher view of the area and kind of like fly your drone around, you can get those different variety of shots for your vlog with that.
It's so cool. And I will also say that flying it is kind of dummy proof because I can fly it. And I've flown it plenty of times and I haven't crashed it yet. And that is good.
Yeah, so we'll have plenty of videos in the future where we'll actually put some of the drone footage
Yep.
in it.
So, 2 more things. Number 1, we have our GorillaPod, it's
Yep.
called.
So the GorillaPod is pretty useful. You can put your phone on it. So if you have like weird angles you want to place your phone to get some, some footage, you can use the GorillaPod. And what it does is it's kind of like a tripod, but it has like these foldable legs, so you can wrap it around an object. So if you have like a pole you want to put your phone on, if the pole's right there, you can wrap it around the pole and have your phone there.
And then, last but not least, we have the tripod. Everybody knows what a tripod is,
Yeah.
I think.
So the tripod, you can use that for, I guess, stabilizing your footage, taking photographs for your thumbnails.
Thumbnails are important.
Yeah, thumbnails are very, very important for YouTube. Or you could use it to record time lapses. So you
Or
have
dance videos like this.
Yeah. So I mean that's pretty much all you need when you're starting off. One thing I would advise people when you're starting off is you want to make the the bar for you to get started as easy as possible. So just using your phone is a good way to start. You don't really need anything else while you're starting because it's a learning process. So while you're making videos, you are learning. And you don't want to actually have to like shell out a lot of, cash just to get started. So
Yeah. I agree.
So I would advise you, don't make excuses. Just
Just do it.
Just do it. Just take your phone and just start making videos.
That's my advice. My advice is to just do it. Get started. You don't know if you're good at something if you don't try. You don't know if it's going to cost you a lot of money if you don't start.
Mm-hmm.
And if you spend money, like Lauren said, on tech and gear and things you don't even really know how to work, you may be wasting your money because you may buy this expensive camera. You have no idea how to work it. You have no idea how to even utilize the technology to its greatest potential to make the videos that you think you want to make. So you should get started with what you know, and we all know that you all know
how to use your
phone. So
yeah, it's all about baby steps, and you'll really appreciate once you get started because when you look back on like your older videos, you'll start to see like how you grew like from video to video.
Yeah.
And that's what we realize and we appreciate. So when we look back on our old videos, we'll start to see like how we progressed.
I already see it.
Yeah, I already
if
see
we look back at our first video, I already see how it's. First of all, we did not prioritize audio in the first video.
Yeah.
And then after, I guess, the second video, we decided to buy the mic. I would recommend buying the mic, like, right away.
Yes.
If you think you want to do it. It is not that expensive. Oh, and guess what? We have all of the gear that we use linked below. If you want to buy it, if you want to purchase it, just go right down to the description, and we have everything linked below.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, we're still working on that one. The camera's kind of far away. Oh, sorry.